Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel Sweta's Beauty Vanity. I hope you guys are having awesome time. So in today's video I'm going to share this simple subtle hello eye makeup look. अभी wedding season चल रही है और बंगाली में सरस्वती पूजा is coming up, तो मैंने सोचा I should create a look for your special day. And इसके साथ साथ इस वीडियो में मैं outfit और ज्वेलरी आइडियाज़ भी आपको दूंगी. So if you want to know all the details about this look then please बने रहिए मेरे चैनल पे और इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखते रहिए. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So guys, चलो start करते हैं आज की वीडियो. So guys, this is my empty bare face. So to begin with, I'm going to prime my face with this setting spray which is from Milani and it is called Milani Make It Last Set Prime and Correct. और ये मैं पूरे face पे apply करूँगी. उसके बाद as a moisturizer, I'm going to use this facial oil from Red Earth. As my skin is little dry right now, so I'm going to use this facial oil. You can use any kind of moisturizer here. And उसके बाद to blur out the open pores, so मैं Maybelline Master Prime से ये प्राइमर यूज़ करूँगी और स्पेशली ऑन माई चीक एरिया और नोज़ एरिया पे अप्लाई करूँगी और उसके बाद फिंगर के मदद से मैं ब्लेंड करूँगी एज यू गाइस कैन सी इन दिस वीडियो. So to hide the dark circles and unevenness on my face and to hide the dark spots on my face, I'm going to use this concealer which is from NYX. It's a peach undertone concealer और मैं इस concealer को अपने अंडर आई एरिया पे और जहाँ पे ब्लैक स्पॉट्स हैं वहाँ पे मैं अप्लाई करूँगी एंड इसके बाद फिंगर की मदद से मैं ब्लेंड करूँगी बहुत अच्छे से प्रोडक्ट को. So guys, now it's time to apply the foundation and today for the first time I'm going to use Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. I am in the shade Warm Sand 03. It's exactly my shade and I absolutely love this foundation. It gives a medium buildable coverage. It gives a dewy natural glowy finish which I absolutely love. तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रही हूँ, पहले एक फ्लैट फाउंडेशन ब्रश की मदद से पूरे फेस में इस फाउंडेशन को अप्लाई करूँगी. उसके बाद टू बफ आउट एंड ब्लेंड आउट द फाउंडेशन मैं एक ब्यूटी स्पंज की मदद से पूरे फेस में इस प्रोडक्ट को ब्लेंड करूँगी. सो टू क्रिएट दिस मेकअप लुक मैंने आज कुछ न्यू मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैंने परचेस किया है नायका से मैं यूज़ किया है एंड दिस मिस क्लियर आईब्रो पेंसिल इज़ वन ऑफ देम. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस आईब्रो पेंसिल एज वेल. फर्स्टली इट्स रियली अफोर्डेबल. इट रिटेल्स फॉर ओनली 75 रुपीज़ बट इसकी जो फिनिशिंग है इट गिव्स नेचुरल आईब्रो लुक. Now to give a professional touch to my eyebrow and clean up the eyebrow border, so मैं कंसीलर के मदद से eyebrow border line पे मैं अप्लाई कर रही हूँ और जो भी एरर है by that process it will be clean up and it gives a natural eyebrow look. तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की आई लुक. सो आज की आई लुक के लिए मैंने चूज़ किया है कलर आइकॉन पैलेट फ्रॉम द ब्रांड वेट इन वाइल्ड और इट इज़ इन द शेड रोज़े इन द ईयर. तो मैं आज ये तीनों आई शेडो अप्लाई करूँगी अपने आई मेकअप पे. तो पहले मैंने ये वार्म ब्राउन शेड अपने क्रीज एरिया पे मैं अप्लाई करूँगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ फ्लफी ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश. With the help of this blending brush, I'm going to deposit the eyeshadow. उसके साथ साथ मैं blend भी करूँगी बहुत अच्छे से as you can see. And after that, to give a pink magenta hint on the crease line, I'm going to apply this pink eyeshadow. And now I'm using a small blending brush to make the application more precise. और इसके साथ साथ इस pink magenta eyeshadow को मैं अपने eyelid के outer corner और inner corner पे ले जाऊँगी. And I'm gonna make a halo part here as you can see in this video. Now before applying the eyeshadow on the middle part of my eyelid मैं concealer apply कर रही हूँ and with the help of a precision eyeshadow brush मैं अपने eyelid पे center पे concealer apply करूँगी. और इसके बाद मैं एक antique gold eyeshadow जो कि same rose in the year palette से है मैं apply कर रही हूँ as you can see. To give a extra oomph on the eye look, I'm going to use this liquid metallic eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty और मैं इस प्रोडक्ट को एक प्रिसीजन ब्रश के मदद से टॉप ऑफ द एंटीक गोल्ड आई शेडो में अप्लाई कर रही हूँ as you can see. All the product details will be available in the description box below. So guys, if you are interested, you definitely can check out my description box below. Now with the help of this pencil brush, I'm going to diffuse the harsh lines of the gold eyeshadow as you can see in this video. Now let's come back to the face makeup and finish it up. So it's time to apply the concealer और मैं concealer as a concealer मैं apply कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm going to use it under my eye area, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow on the chin and side of my face. And after applying it, as usual, I'm going to blend out the concealer with the help of a beauty sponge. Now to set the concealer and foundation, liquid foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Super Stay Powder Compact Powder, and with the help of powder brush I'm going to apply it all over my face. By that process I'm gonna set the concealer and foundation. उसके साथ साथ मुझे थोड़ा extra coverage भी मिल जाएगा इस product से. So now to give a sort of depth, definition and structure to my flat face, I need to use a contour product, and as a product I'm using Sugar Cosmetics contour product. It's also a new purchase, and guys, can you see the scratches? I just found it and it is definitely done by Ivan, so this is a pain, guys. So anyway, by using that product I am contouring my face and using it hollow of my cheekbone, down below my hairline, under the jawline, and with the help of the same product I'm going to contour my nose as well. Now with the help of this pencil brush I'm going to use the same magenta shade from Rose in the Air palette, and I'm going to apply it all over my lash line, as you can see. And to open up the eyes and make it more bigger and brighter, I am using golden eyeliner pencil all over my waterline, and it is from NYX Cosmetics. All the product details will be mentioning in the description box below, so if you are interested you can definitely check out my description box below. Now to highlight the brow bone area, I'm going to deposit the same antique eyeshadow from Rose in the Air palette from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to deposit the eyeshadow just right below the arch of my eyebrow. And as a blush, I'm going to use a baked blush from Milani. I absolutely love this blush, but unfortunately I forgot the name right now, but it will be on my description box below for sure. And it's time to apply the highlighter, और as a highlighter मैं आज यूज़ कर रही हूँ Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm using it highest point of my cheekbone, down bridge of my nose, onto the cupid's bow side of my forehead, wherever I use highlighter usually. आज मैं false eyelashes apply करूँगी, but before applying the false eyelashes I always love to apply good coat of mascara, both upper and lower lashes, and as a mascara I am using Lancome mascara today. To match my outfit today, as a lipstick I chose a fuchsia color, and it is from Maybelline. It's called Made for All lipstick. The shade name is Fuchsia for Me. Now to set the entire makeup and make it long lasting and super natural, super dewy, I'm going to use this setting spray from Milani. So guys, now it's time to apply the false eyelashes, जो कि मैं off camera करूँगी as usual. So guys, this is my final look. I really love the whole makeup look today. The base makeup look turned out so well. So now guys, it's time to share my outfit details. So guys, as a साड़ी आज मैंने कैरी किया है this chiffon ruffle साड़ी which I purchased from Myntra recently, and it is from, I guess it is from the brand Indus. And इसके साथ जो मैंने blouse pair up किया है, it is from Shein, and it is not a blouse, it's a crop top, but इसकी जो look है it gives a really smart edgy look. आप कोई भी long sleeve blouse carry कर सकते हो, which it gives really a smart look. And इसके साथ जो मैंने jewelry pair up किया है, it's a dome shape कुंदन diamond chumka, as you can see, and I also purchased it from Myntra. I'll be sharing all the details, jewelry details and outfit details on my description box below. So if you want to purchase any of them, you can check out my description box below. So guys, that's for the day. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you like the makeup look as well. So if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, share this video, share my channel with your friends and family, and definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I'll be back here soon with another exciting video next week. Until then, stay happy, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.